Hey guys, Brett here with the TabEngine, and real quick I just want to show you a preview of the new form builder widget that we've added to the TabEngine. So when I developed the first social apps, one of the things that never really sat well with me was that the apps themselves, they weren't that flexible. So you had a contest in a sweepstakes app, and it collected the person's username and their email address. But what if you wanted to collect some other information about them? What if you wanted to know something else, like their age? Or what if you wanted to know what town they live in? Or, anything. Being restricted to only collecting their username and their email address, it never really sat well with me. I never really liked it. The other thing I never really liked about that particular system was that it used login with Facebook. Now this seems like a good thing at first, and it really did seem like a good thing for to us at first. The problem is twofold, actually. The first problem is it requires the person's permission from Facebook in order to get their contact information. A lot of people, they don't want to give out their information. They don't want to give out all their personal information to an app. They really don't, just to get a deal or a contest. Facebook bundles a lot of permissions together, so in order to get somebody's email address or name, you have to also be able to get a whole lot of other information about them, and people don't feel comfortable giving that out to an app that they don't know about. The other thing is that when you were collecting a person's email address with one of the old apps, you got the email address that Facebook had. Well, I know for myself, I have a different email address just for Facebook. I know a lot of people do, and they don't really check that email address anymore. So for the new TabEngine system, I wanted to create a complete form builder, fully drag and drop, so that way you can select the fields that you want to collect from the people, and also so that you can collect their correct email address and not just their Facebook email address. So anyway, here's a quick look at it. It is very simple. You just drag in the sign up form widget, pull it into where you want it, release it. You can see I've already added one here. And then of course to edit it, you just right click on it. And you can see there are up to 5 fields. You can select what 5 fields you want to collect. So maybe instead of first name, maybe I just want full name. And I want email address. And let's just say I want their birth date as well. I'll just type them in there. I'm going to get to decide what happens after they sign up. I could either redirect them to our URL, or I can upload a thank you graphic that will display full screen for them to see. Redirect is really good if you're going to send them, say, to your main website, to an offer after they sign up, or perhaps you want to show them the thank you graphic instead that will have a coupon code or a deal code on it. You're going to get to fully customize the form. You're going to be able to select what the button text is. So the default is sign up, but maybe you want to have it enter now. And of course you're going to get to select the font color. We'll just keep it black. The max number of people that are able to sign up via that form. And you can also select an end date. So if you don't want it to be a max, but maybe you don't want people to sign up after August 1st, we'll just put that end date in there. And we'll update the sign up form. And you can see it automatically changes it for you then. And it is fully drag and drop. So you can position it wherever you want and fit it perfectly into your design and your style. Another really cool thing we had that we added to this is, say you wanted to have an end date on it, but you want to give a sense of urgency. So you want to make sure that people know that if they don't sign up now, the offer is going to be gone. So you can go ahead up here and you can drag in the countdown widget. Just position it where you want it. Select your font color. Again, we'll just leave it black for this demo. The font size, the date you want it to count down to. Now we decided that the sign up forms are going to end on August 1st, so we'll make it count down to August 1st as well. You can go down here and you can customize the format. So maybe you don't want it to show days or you don't want it to show seconds, but we'll just leave it like it is for now. We'll insert the countdown. And you can see it's going to create a drag and drop countdown for you as well. And of course, if you ever want to edit it, you can just go ahead and right click on it. And the form builder and the countdown timer are just some of the app widgets that we are adding to the new TabEngine system. We're also going to have the voting app, the AB winner, the PayPal. We have a giveaway. There's a whole bunch that we're going to be adding in. And of course, we have the favorite design widgets that we've always had, such as the share button, the Facebook comments, the Google Maps. We've added a new one. This is really cool, the color box. So you just drag this down here and say you want a background color. It's real simple. Select the color that you want. Insert it in there, and then you can just resize it as you need. So you can give your forms, your countdowns a background color. Another really cool one that we've added is the hot box. I actually added this because a lot of people requested it. I found that a lot of people were uploading complete graphics for their sales pages, and they had needed a way in order to make buttons that were a part of the graphic clickable. So with the hotbox widget, you just drag it in there. You select the URL that you want, and then you insert the hotbox. And what that will do is make a specific part of the page clickable. And of course, we have all the other widgets, the clip art, the image upload. The clip art is actually really cool. We have a completely new clip art library, all Web 2.0 graphics, fantastically designed. There's going to be over 300 of them added to the clip art library. And then you have the YouTube, the iframes, and the HTML. Now, of course, we're going to have templates. There are going to be tons of templates right in their own section. There's so many templates, we actually had to put them in their own template section. But I don't want to get too into it right now. I just wanted to give you a quick look. So here it is, a quick look at the new TabEngine system. Completely drag and drop. It's going to allow you to not only build pages, but you're actually going to be able to build your own apps. And of course, they are going to be mobile friendly. And another feature that we're going to have is that you're actually going to be able to put these pages and these apps not only on Facebook. You're going to be able to put them on your blog. You're going to be able to put them on your website. You're going to be able to put them anywhere you want. You're not going to be restricted to just Facebook.